6 o'clock in the morning here in Punta Cana. I say we go and take the drone up. I cannot think of a more wonderful way to start the first day of our holiday. That sunrise is incredible. We got the drone up there, as you can see. Someone else has got a drone over here as well. It looks like a wedding over there. Very early for a wedding, but it looks like they're getting prepared for it anyway. This is Bavaro Beach, or El Corticito, and it is absolutely wonderful. You're probably noticing it is a little bit rough. Of course, we are on the Atlantic coast. Now, although the Dominican Republic is a Caribbean island, this coast here in Punta Cana is on the Atlantic. I guess that technically means we're sharing the same water as the UK. If you're hoping to come to the Dominican Republic and have, I guess, calmer waters, Bahia or La Romana on the bottom of the island, the very south point of the island, is where you want to be. But here, for me, this is nicer. I prefer a little bit of waves, a little bit of, a little bit of a scene, you know? I'd rather that. I'm gonna wait for it to be completely serene until we get to Sayona Island in a couple of days' time. Right, we've got about 5 minutes left of battery life with the drone. What I want to do is put it over the sea, and I'm going to run into the sea with the GoPro. It's a little bit risky, but I'm sure it's going to be absolutely fine. So, let's see, we're here. That's us there, and you got the sea here. And I'm going to pull it back a little bit further, and then pull it right down. Oh my God! Look at that! Oh my God! If anything's ever going to go wrong with a DJI drone, it's now, isn't it? Oh. We're insured, it's fine. It'll be worth it for the shot. All right, let's do it. Woo! Oh my God. That is crazy. Here he is. I'm going to go out to it. Woo! Oh. Bear in mind, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. It is so warm right now. But here we are. You can see the drone. Oh, it is so clear and so clean. Woo. Oh, here we are. If that isn't pushing the limits of this 300-pound drone, I don't know what is. I think it's time to get it out. There it goes. It's just perfect. What a shot that was. Mate, that was so sick. I think I'm going to bring it down. I think I'm going to bring the drone down. It's not got much battery life left. But that certainly won't be the last time we take her in the air. You can hear the drone screaming out for help. We got a low battery warning. Just like that, she's back. Drone is back on the sunbed, as you can see. The view of the sun this morning was just amazing. As I said, this isn't going to be the last time we whip the drone out. Of course, we're here for another 9 days, so there's going to be plenty of time to make some more amazing videos. Not cold at all. Whew. Oh, this is just perfect. There's not an ounce of chill in this water. I guess I've not been here long enough to get burnt yet. I can tell you now, once you're burnt, this is cold as well. But this is just perfect. Barely even touched the bottom anymore. It's quite far from the shore, as you can see. These waves are pretty big. As I mentioned, if you're looking for calmer waters, La Romana is your place to be. This is not calm at all. But as I mentioned, this is the same water that is shared with the UK, so it's no wonder it's pretty rough. There's a drone up again, look. Not my drone this time. Right, I cannot touch the bottom anymore, so I think it's time to go back to the shore. I can touch the floor again. Oh! But yeah, what a start to the morning it's been. And I really hope this will give you an idea of what's to come. It's not bad at all, is it? Just got back to the room after a nice walk down El Cortecito beach this morning. In the time we've been gone, you can see the maid has been and has done a very nice job, but she hasn't actually taken the tip that we've left for her. I'm not too sure why, but I guess if we see her later on, we'll drop that to her. But I've got some very exciting news. You know, I mentioned earlier about going down south of the island to La Romana. Tomorrow we're going to Isla Saona, which is one of the islands right in the middle of the Caribbean Sea. We got a good deal. We actually bartered with one of the guys on the beach. He had like a big book full of all the photos of the island, of all the excursion, and that's what we've signed up to do tomorrow. So yeah, obviously really looking forward to that. That will be Thursday's video or Monday's video, whichever day it is, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I think for now it's just gone 10:30 in the morning. We're going to go and enjoy the pool and the beach. I'll probably take my GoPro a bit later on as well. And yeah, it's going to be a day of doing a whole lot of nothing. We had a very long travel day yesterday, a 30-hour day. So today's all about recovering, ready for Saona Island tomorrow. $130, nice bit of negotiation.
65 each.
£65 if you were to book it online, which is probably about $80. We've got it for $65. So again, if you're in Punta Cana, don't be booking your excursions online. Just barter with the guys down the beach. If you've been here before, you know what I mean. They're walking up and down with parrots and Komodo dragons and big booklets. They've got brochures full of like excursions to different islands and I guess parasailing as well and quad biking, etc. So if you are coming to this country, do not book your stuff online. Barter with the guys when you get here. Because yeah, I mean, we've just saved what, like $30, I think, in total. So not a bad day at the office. Oh my goodness me. It's just unbelievable how humid it is out here. Literally, you open the mosquito door, the mosquito net that's attached to the door, and you just get hit. Putting my glasses on, they're literally steamed up. Can you see? They're literally all steamed up from just how humid it is out here. I mean, I'm absolutely not complaining. Last week in Morocco, bloody heck, I tell you what, my lips were so dry and chapped at the end of it. But out here, it is the complete opposite. I love it.